Today we're going to be making a magic circle using our left hand. We're going to begin by draping our tail or the end of our yarn over our working yarn like this to create a loop. And we want to pinch that intersection with our right hand. Then we're going to hold our crochet hook and insert it hook side first into that loop that we just created. And now you might need to rearrange so that you can actually hold your yarn appropriately. And once you're holding your yarn appropriately, then go ahead and yarn over and pull through that loop that you just created. And the entire time you want to be holding this intersection. So now what we're going to do is just slide our fingers into that loop that we just created. And you want to make sure from here that you're working over your tail as well as inside your loop. So right here is where you want to be placing your stitches. So in this example, I'm going to chain 1 and then place 6 single crochets inside my magic circle. So I'm just going to insert my crochet hook in the loop and then yarn over and pull up through the loop. Meanwhile, I'm also crocheting over my tail. So go ahead and practice working inside of your magic circle a little bit. And if your loop gets too big, you can pull on your tail to shrink it so that it's a little easier to work in. I know I usually need to do that. And once you've placed your stitches inside your magic circle, then just pull on your tail to tighten the gap in your magic circle like this. So I'm going to undo that and show you the magic circle part one more time. To place your magic circle, you're going to take your tail and drape it over your working yarn to create a loop. Then you're going to pinch that intersection, insert your crochet hook in the loop, and then I usually rearrange while pinching that intersection so that I can hold onto my yarn properly. From here, we're going to yarn over and pull through our loop. Then I like to separate it and insert my fingers inside of my loop. And now for this example, I'm going to chain 2 and place some double crochets inside my magic circle. So for this, I'm going to yarn over and then insert my crochet hook in the loop as well as over my tail. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull up through and then yarn over and drop 2 loops to complete my stitch. So you can place as many double crochets as you would like to practice. And for this example, I just placed 3 double crochets, and now I'm going to pull on my tail to tighten the gap in my magic circle. So that is it. That is all you need to do to complete your magic circle. Let me know in the comments below if this video helped you and if you would like to see more left-handed tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.